Today I'm going to share about a story about a couple. Once a couple shifted to a new neighborhood. The next morning, while they have eating breakfast, the woman saw their new neighbor hang the clothes for dry. The woman told her husband that look, the clothes don't look so clean. I think she don't know how to clean the clothes properly. Um, every time when their neighbor hang the clothes outside, the woman made the same comment. And one day she also added that I think she needs better laundry soap. And few days later, she was amazed to see the clean line of washed clothes. She told her husband, look, she finally know how to wash clothes. I was so amazed to see that. Her husband told, I wake up early this morning and clean our windows. It shows the woman's mindset that mind is full with negativity. We learn from the story that we should not be too quick to judge others, especially when our perspective is fully filled with negativity, jealous, anger, and unfulfilled desirement. স্যার হয়ে গেছে।
দারুণ হয়েছে সোহানা, দারুণ, খুব সুন্দর হয়েছে। খুব ভালো বলেছো তুমি। ঠিক আছে,